Good day to everybody. So our next topic for today class is about Adobe Photoshop for teachers. So this module will explain how to use Adobe Photoshop for basic editing, and it is especially designed for teachers. And our learning key takeaways for this session or for this learning class are the following. So we should know after this session, you will know about the application Adobe Photoshop. You familiarize with the PS interface. You utilize the Photoshop for editing images and text and learn other essential tools in Adobe Photoshop. After the discussion of um, this topic, you will be given an activity to assess the learning outcomes of this module. We'll discuss learning contents, which are as follows. The first one, what is Adobe Photoshop? Second, getting started with Adobe Photoshop, the environment of the application, working it with images and working with text. And lastly, other essential tools of the application or of the Adobe Photoshop. So the first one is, what is Adobe Photoshop? Adobe Photoshop class is one of the most powerful desktop application that is used by many professional photographers and designers. Almost all of any types of image editing uses Adobe Photoshop to their advantage, most especially that we are in or the COVID-19 crisis. Many of us are learning. We want to learn basic editing in Adobe Photoshop for maybe posting your business online or small time businesses. They want to edit first the images that they are posting online, right? For teachers like you, Adobe Photoshop can be used to edit learning materials such as your flashcards, front covers of your instructional materials, presentation icons and elements, and other elements of your presentation. Now, let us go to the technical parts of the Adobe Photoshop, where you will learn how to get started with Photoshop and the environment of the application. And of course, the parts of the Photoshop. So, this will be discussed in the next video.